Teaching financial literacy to your children is a crucial step in setting them up for a successful future. By instilling healthy financial habits early on, you can help them make informed decisions, manage money wisely, and achieve their goals. Start early and make it fun. Begin young. Introduce basic financial concepts like saving and spending when your children are still young. Make it engaging. Use games, stories, and real-life examples to make learning about money fun and relatable. Practical tips for teaching financial literacy. Allowance and chores. Implement a system where your children earn an allowance for completing chores. This helps them understand the connection between work and income. Savings and spending. Encourage your children to save a portion of their allowance. Teach them about setting goals and the importance of delayed gratification. Budgeting. Introduce the concept of budgeting by creating a simple budget together. Help them understand the difference between needs and wants. Financial literacy resources. Utilize children's books, online games, and educational apps to reinforce financial concepts. Open a bank account. Help your children open a savings account to visualize their money growth. Discuss financial decisions. Involve your children in family financial discussions, such as grocery shopping or paying bills. This helps them understand the value of money and the importance of responsible spending. Address common financial challenges. Debt. It's crucial to understand the concept of debt and the importance of avoiding it. Borrowing money comes with consequences, and repaying loans is a necessity. Credit. Let's introduce the basics of credit and the impact of credit scores. Building a good credit history is essential for future financial opportunities. Investing. As your children grow older, discuss the concept of investing and the potential for long-term financial growth. Explain the risks and rewards associated with different investment options. Lead by example. Your actions speak volumes. Demonstrate responsible financial behavior by managing your own finances wisely. Your children are more likely to adopt healthy financial habits if they see you doing the same. By following these guidelines, you can equip your children with the knowledge and skills they need to make sound financial decisions throughout their lives. Remember, teaching financial literacy is an ongoing process, so continue to reinforce these concepts as your children grow and mature.